Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful travel trailer comes equipped with outside shower, outside gas grill, full walk-on roof, power tongue jack, outside kitchen refrigerator, water heater bypass, double slides, electric stabilizer jacks, heated enclosed underbelly, outside speakers, backup camera ready, outside kitchen sink, solar power prep, outside storage including a full pass-through compartment, spare tire and carrier, triple step entry, stainless sink, kitchen pantry, electric awning with LED lights, range hood with exhaust fan and light, end tables on either side of the sofa, closets on both sides of the bed, bathroom sink, high-rise faucet, TV hookup in bedroom, shower skylight, vanity with sink, bedroom dresser, dual lights over headboard. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with the boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.